Relocating to the Dallas Metroplex, I have the perfect home to show you today. Nestled in the heart of DFW, this stunning property combines modern elegance with a warm, inviting atmosphere. As you approach, you'll notice the beautifully front landscaped yard and charming facade. This home offers both curb appeal and comfort. A spacious foyer that flows into the open concept living area, perfect for entertaining your family and friends. The living room boasts plenty of natural light, a cozy fireplace, and sleek finishes create an ideal gathering space for all those you enjoy spending time with. Next, we enter the gourmet kitchen, equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and plenty of storage. It's a chef's dream. The adjacent dining area is ideal for family meals or hosting dinner parties, making every occasion extra special. So I'm not certain if you can really grasp this in the video. This primary retreat is huge. Not only is this a king-size bed, you could probably fit 2 more king-size beds in here and still have plenty of room. Imagine a long day at work, coming out here, having a glass of wine or a nice iced tea with your sweetie, listening to the birds chirping, and just enjoying a nice, quiet Dallas evening. Located in a vibrant community, this home is just minutes away from parks, shopping, top-rated schools, and everything you need is right at your doorstep. Don't miss your chance to call this beautiful property home. Schedule your tour today by calling the number on your screen. For more of our newest and latest listings before they even hit the market, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel.